Welcome to the Deep Dive, the place where we cut through all the complexity.
Yeah, try to pull out those really important nuggets of knowledge for you.
Exactly, from, a whole stack of sources.
Yeah.
Now, before we plunge into today's Deep Dive, which is a really fascinating one, we want to share something valuable.
Okay.
This Deep Dive is brought to you by AI Opportune.
Ah, right.
AI Opportune was born from this simple belief, really, that AI isn't just for, the big tech companies or the researchers.
Right. It's a tool for everyone.
Yeah. For founders, creatives, operators, basically curious minds everywhere. Their goal is to cut through the noise.
Which there's a lot of.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh.
And spotlight how real people are actually using AI to solve problems, build smarter, move faster.
Yeah, practical stuff, insights, strategies, stories each week.
Exactly. Stuff that helps you not just understand AI, but actually use it. So if you're navigating this fast-moving space and you want that practical edge,
Which most of us do.
yeah, definitely subscribe to AI Opportune. They're there to help you learn, build, and lead with AI.
Good resource.
For sure. Okay, so let's unpack this today. We're diving into a critical, constantly evolving challenge, the fight against financial fraud.
It never stops.
Never. Imagine getting a call, it sounds exactly like your bank, asking for your password.
Scary.
Or a text, seems like it's from your kid pleading for money, but it's not them.
Ugh, yeah. The social engineering aspect.
Right, this isn't sci-fi anymore. This is the new front line. Our sources show AI isn't just helping here.
No, it's fundamentally changing the game.
Becoming our most powerful weapon, it's this high-stakes digital cat-and-mouse game.
And the stakes really couldn't be higher, could they? Our mission today really is to get a handle on the sheer scale of this threat.
Yeah, how big is it?
And how the financial giants are already tackling it with AI, some really cutting-edge stuff.
Okay.
And crucially, where the opportunities are. For those of you listening who are ready to innovate, maybe build the next wave of defenses.
Right, because it feels like an arms race.
It absolutely is. And AI is the new arsenal.
It really does feel like the financial world is under siege.
Yeah.
We're talking scams, identity theft, those deepfakes getting creepily realistic.
Oh, yeah.
Phishing attempts that are harder to spot, social engineering. It's a full-blown cyber assault.
And the old systems just can't keep up.
Exactly. Our sources basically say traditional fraud systems are like screen doors in a hurricane.
That's a good one. They just aren't built for the speed, the volume, the sophistication we see now.
So how is AI different then?
Well, what's fascinating is AI isn't just like a stronger lock. It's more like a 247 high-speed pattern-spotting sentinel.
Okay, a sentinel.
Yeah, it doesn't just react to known threats. It learns, it adapts. But here's maybe the surprising bit. It's not just about being bigger or faster. The real breakthroughs are happening because AI can now mimic human intuition, but at a massive scale.
Human intuition, how so?
Spotting deceit, tiny anomalies, things that even a sharp human eye might miss. It shifts us from just reacting to actually intercepting. Proactive defense.
Wow. Okay, so proactive. And it's not just like small startups tinkering, right? You mentioned the giants.
Oh, absolutely. The behemoths are making massive shifts. You might think only startups are nimble enough for this stuff.
Yeah, you usually do.
But the big players are diving deep into AI for fraud detection, fully immersed.
So give us some examples, like MasterCard, Visa, what are they doing?
Okay, yeah. Take MasterCard. Their AI system, Decision Intelligence Pro, it scans a jaw-dropping 160 billion transactions a year.
160 billion. That's wow.
Right. But here's the unique part, the powerful insight. It's not just looking for, say, an odd foreign transaction.
Okay.
It's understanding your specific spending patterns, where you usually shop, when, how much, on what.
So it knows me.
Exactly. And then in milliseconds, it decides if a transaction is genuinely suspicious for you or if it's perfectly fine based on your history.
That level of personalized real-time analysis,
Yeah.
that's completely different from the old rule-based stuff.
Total different. Like a personal financial bodyguard.
Okay, that's MasterCard. What about Visa? Are they tackling it differently?
Visa's gone maybe a step further, more aggressive. They have this new scam disruption unit.
Scam disruption. Sounds serious.
It is. They don't just react after the fraud happens. They actively infiltrate scam networks.
Whoa, infiltrate.
Yeah, and pull the plug before your money even leaves your account. Think of it like pre-crime for your finances.
That's amazing. Are they seeing results?
Yeah, impressive ones. They've already stopped $350 million in fraud dead in its tracks.
350 million, so it's proactive direct intervention.
Exactly. Moving beyond just detection.
And it's not just the payment networks, is it? The big banks must be heavily involved, too.
Oh, definitely. JP Morgan, for instance. They've poured, what, $18 billion into AI and automation?
18 billion.
Yeah. And it's not just throwing money around. It's a strategic bet. It's led to sharper fraud detection, obviously.
Right.
But also, importantly, nearly a 30% cut in their servicing costs. So it hits the bottom line, too.
Efficiency gains as well as security. That makes sense.
And it even stretches to places like Fannie Mae dealing with mortgages.
Okay, yeah. Different kind of fraud there.
Right. They're using AI tools, built by Palantir, actually, to detect mortgage fraud with, like, sniper-like precision.
Sniper-like.
Yeah, flagging anomalies that would be completely invisible to traditional systems, things hidden deep in the data.
So AI can see these complex schemes that, humans or older systems just couldn't piece together.
Precisely. It highlights that ability to uncover really subtle, hidden patterns.
Okay, so the landscape is clearly shifting fast. Fraud's getting smarter, using deepfakes, getting incredibly deceptive.
Yep.
But thankfully, the tools to fight it are evolving too. You said the next phase is about agile AI-powered defenses.
That's what the sources point to.
But you mentioned earlier, maybe the real innovation comes from startups. How can they possibly compete with an $18 billion investment from JP Morgan?
Yeah, that's a great question. And agility is the key. You might think only the giants can play, but the good news for innovators, for builders listening, you don't need that billion-dollar budget or a huge data center. Startups are often actually in a better position.
How so?
They can move faster, target overlooked problems really specifically, innovate without all the legacy systems and bureaucracy weighing them down.
Right, less red tape.
Exactly. The opportunity is wide open for agile players.
Okay, that's compelling. But if I am a builder looking at Visa infiltrating networks, it still feels daunting. Where are the unobvious gaps? Where can a small team really make a difference?
Our sources point to several really specific, exciting areas, like AI checkout tools for e-commerce, flagging suspicious transactions in real time, spotting anomalies maybe specific to certain products or user types that a big bank might miss.
Ah, more specialized.
Right. Or think about deepfake and voice scam detectors integrated right into customer support platforms.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Protecting people from those calls that sound exactly like, I don't know, their CEO or a family member.
Exactly. It's terrifying, but AI could be the firewall there. There's a big need for pattern recognition systems tailored for neobanks, especially in regions with unique fraud threats. Those banks are often digital first, faster to integrate new tech.
Makes sense.
And of course, the big one, KYCML. Know your customer, anti-money laundering.
Always a challenge.
AI can revolutionize this. Using natural language processing, that's AI understanding language and image analysis, to automate identity checks, make them faster, more robust, less prone to human error.
Okay, that list sounds really actionable. So if you are that builder or founder or just super curious, how do you actually start building something in this space? It seems complex.
It can seem complex, but the sources actually lay out a pretty clear path, like a step-by-step approach.
Okay, let's hear it.
First, choose a specific fraud scenario. Don't try to boil the ocean. Pick one type payment fraud. Synthetic identities, phishing, account takeovers.
Go deep on one thing.
Exactly. Understand its patterns. Show clear before and after AI value. That focus makes your solution powerful.
Okay, step one, focus.
Step two, train with existing, safe data sets. You don't need sensitive data right away. Platforms like Kaggle, IEE, financial AI competitions, they have anonymized data sets.
So you can prototype safely.
Perfect for prototyping. Test your ideas quickly without the data security hurdles initially.
Got it. What's next?
Third, and this is crucial, make your engine smarter with every click. Great fraud detection adapts. It learns.
Like we said, not static rules.
Right. As user behavior changes, as fraudsters find new tricks, your system has to evolve. That's the huge advantage of machine learning. Your AI detector is always learning.
Continuous improvement. Okay.
Fourth, partner early. Talk to fintechs, talk to banks, even small integrations in API, a plugin for their fraud queue, a pilot project.
Get real-world feedback.
Exactly. Get validation fast. Refine your solution based on actual market needs, not just theory.
Smart. And the last step?
Finally, build for transparency, not just accuracy. This is huge. If a payment gets declined, someone in the fraud team, maybe a regulator, needs to understand why. Yes. Explainability is non-negotiable. It builds trust. So make it part of the product from day one. Show the factors behind an alert.
That's a really practical 5-step plan. Focus, use public data, learn continuously, partner early, and be transparent.
Pretty much sums it up.
But looking ahead, what about that really cutting-edge stuff? You mentioned deepfakes earlier. What's the next big threat?
Yeah, that's what our sources call the bonus opportunity, the deepfake defense frontier.
Okay.
The next wave of fraud won't just be emails or fake websites. It'll be AI-generated voices, cloned faces.
Fake customer service reps.
Yeah, even real-time video scams. Imagine a deepfake CEO on a video call authorizing a huge fraudulent transfer.
Chilling.
It is. And regulators, financial institutions, they know this wave is coming. But honestly, most lack sophisticated defenses right now.
So the big gap.
A huge gap. Startups that can detect and stop these deepfakes and, crucially, do it without adding a ton of friction for the user.
Yeah, can't make it annoying to use.
Right. Those startups will be incredibly valuable. It's a wide open frontier for innovation.
So detection without friction is key there.
Absolutely. And just to show this isn't like a 10-year project, you can actually build a minimum viable product, an MVP, pretty fast.
Oh, yeah. Like how fast?
Think about a real-time credit card fraud detector for e-commerce. Our sources suggest you could get a functional prototype up in about 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Seriously.
Yeah. Week 1 is foundation and data. Define your MVP scope, maybe just binary classification, fraud not fraud. Find those public data sets on Kaggle, set up your tech stack Python, scikit-learn, maybe XGBoost, things like that.
Okay, week 1, setup and data.
Week 2, modeling and evaluation. Clean the data, engineer some features like time of day, location mismatches, spending velocity. Train models, start simple. Then maybe use something like XGBoost or Random Forest and evaluate carefully.
Right, checking how well it actually works.
Exactly. Focusing on metrics like precision and recall, not just overall accuracy, because false positives are bad for user experience.
Okay, week 2, build and test the brain. Then week 3, UX, API, and deployment. Wrap your model in an API so other software can use it. Build a simple dashboard, maybe Streamlit or React to show the results, maybe even why it flagged something using tools like SAP.
Ah, the explainability piece.
Right, and then deploy it somewhere simple like Render or Vercel, so it's live and testable. It's totally achievable.
That really demystifies it. 3 weeks to a basic working model.
And a couple of bonus tips for builders listening.
Yeah.
Add a learning loop. Log when it's wrong. Allow manual feedback so it gets smarter.
Keeps improving.
Make it explainable. Integrate SAP or Lime, like we mentioned, and keep it modular. Build components that can easily plug into existing platforms. Makes partnerships way easier.
Great practical advice. Okay, so boiling it all down, the TLDR seems to be AI is becoming the ultimate financial security guard.
Yeah, moving from reacting to predicting and preventing.
And startups, they're perfectly positioned, maybe even better positioned sometimes, to build the next generation of smart, scalable defenses.
You don't have to outspend the giants.
Right. You can outthink them, be agile, find those niches.
Exactly. The core advice is clear. Focus on real-time data. Keep humans in the loop. They're crucial for refining the system, handling edge cases.
And automate everything.
Not yet, anyway. And build fast-learning, explainable tools. Tools that adapt as fast as the threats emerge.
Because the trust of millions depends on it.
Absolutely. And the market is genuinely ready for this kind of innovation.
Wow. What an incredible deep dive. This whole landscape of financial fraud, AI's role, it's evolving so fast.
It really is.
A real testament to how technology is adapting to protect our money, our identities.
In a world that's getting more complex digitally every day.
It really makes you think, though, about that constant race, offense versus defense online.
Yeah, the cat and mouse game never ends.
Every new defense prompts a new way to attack. It just underscores how crucial it is to stay informed, stay innovative.
Couldn't agree more.
And as our sources remind us, and connects back to our sponsor too, smart minds don't wait for the future.
We prepare for it.
Exactly. So on that note, we definitely encourage you again, check out AI Opportune, join their community, stay ready for what's next in AI, learn, build, lead.
Good call to action.
Well, thank you for diving deep with us today. This was fantastic.
My pleasure. Always fascinating.
We'll get you on the next deep dive.